To activate the breakout room feature in Zoom, you will need to sign in at ryerson.zoom.us. Then you will go to the left sidebar menu and select Settings. From here, you will need to locate the section In Meeting Advanced. Then, enable the breakout room option by clicking on the gray slider. The box below allows you to assign participants to rooms when you are scheduling a meeting. It is best to leave this box checked. You are now ready to use breakout rooms in Zoom. You can pre-assign participants to rooms or do it on the fly during a Zoom meeting. First, let's review how to pre-assign breakout rooms. To pre-assign breakout rooms, select Meetings from your sidebar menu. This will take you to a list of your upcoming meetings. Select the one you'd like to add a breakout room to. Go to the bottom of the page and click Edit this meeting. Because this is a recurring meeting, you can choose if you'd like to edit only this meeting or all your recurring meetings. We will select all so that the breakout rooms stay consistent in future meetings. You are also able to pre-assign breakout rooms while scheduling new meetings. Then, go to Meeting Options and check the box Breakout Room Pre-assign. Two options will appear. You can either select Create Breakout Rooms, which will allow you to manually create rooms in Zoom and add participants by entering their email. Or you can select Import from CSV. If you select Import from CSV, you will be able to download a template. You can even use groups from your D2L Brightspace shell using this method. For more details about using CSV files and D2L Brightspace groups with Zoom, please visit the DMP's toolbox. When you are ready to save your breakout room assignments, go to the bottom right-hand corner and select Save. Select Save again at the bottom of the page to save all adjustments made to your meeting. Now we will review how to assign participants to breakout rooms during a meeting. Once you are in the meeting, go to the main menu and select Breakout Rooms. The breakout rooms will not be active right away, so don't worry. First, a window will appear where you can select how many breakout rooms you would like to create. If you would like to automatically have participants assigned, or if you as the host would like to manually create the groups. When you have made your selection, click Create Breakout Rooms. If you selected Manual, you will need to click the Assign button and check off specific participants that you would like to be in each breakout room. If you selected Automatic, participants will already be assigned to rooms. When you are ready to start the breakout rooms, select Open All Rooms. Please note these limitations while using breakout rooms. For Zoom meetings with 200 participants or less, you can pre-assign participants into no more than 50 breakout rooms. For Zoom meetings with 201 to 300 participants, you cannot pre-assign everybody and will need to assign participants either randomly or manually during the meeting into no more than 30 breakout rooms. For Zoom meetings with over 300 participants, you'll need to contact avhelp@ryerson.ca to request a webinar license. In such meetings, you are limited to 20 breakout rooms.